Hey guys, Jason here. So I wanted to go over some reasons why your tractor won't start. If you ever have problems with this, and it's going to happen with probably all tractors, all brands or whatever. But I want to go over with my tractor because this is all I have to show you. So first thing is, let's start off with the clutch switch. So you got a clutch switch, and it is down here. I don't know if you can see that. It's right up in here. My hand's in the way. It's right there. That's your clutch switch, and that's your safety switch for your clutch. And so there's that one. Then you got a neutral safety switch, and let's go take a look at that one. So this is your hydrostatic transmission, full reverse. So, but it's got to have a neutral safety switch, because that's what the government says you got to have. And that is right here. And this little bar comes over, and we bent that bar once, bent it back, and it wouldn't start. So we had to take a wrench and pull that back in so it engages the switch. So there's that one. And then you got your seat switch. Now this switch, you have to be sitting on the seat before you can start your tractor. And those are the only three. Those are the three that I thought there was, but there's actually two more. And so we come back around here. And this is my middle PTO. If I had like a mowing deck, one of the drive over mowing decks that they sell for this machine, that would be this PTO here. But I got the finish mower, the tow behind 3-point hitch one, and that's this one right here. So I want to show you down in here. Very easy to get to. There are two more safety switches, and there's your adjustment screw right there, so you can adjust them higher or lower. Then you see right there in there. Let me pull on the lever here and see if you can see it. That wire is in the way, you can't really see. Let me see if I can tuck that down in there. It's not much. It's right in the way. Okay, so there's the other one right there. So let me pull this lever again, and then I'll pull this lever, and you see it's engaging the switches. So my tractor wasn't starting, and all it was this lever, this PTO lever. I just pulled back on it a little more, and it engaged this switch that's right behind this clip here. This switch wasn't engaging properly. So that's it. All these little switches for safety reasons, so you can't start your tractor unless everything's turned off and you have the clutch in and you're sitting on the seat and you're neutral. So that's it. I mean, I'm pretty sure all tractors have the same switches, different setups, but the same switches for safety reasons. So anyway, that's all there was to it. Just pull that lever back a little bit more, and my tractor fired right up. And my dealership's awesome. I just stopped in and talked to them, and because on my way home from work, and I wanted to do that anyway because I needed to pick up these dirt fittings. And I was like, hey, my tractor's not starting. unless I jump the starter, you know, turn on the ignition and jump the starter, and it would fire up then. But he's like, oh yeah, you know, it's a common problem. Just that's probably all Chucky 2009's problem was too. It's right there. Easy fix. Anyway, but yeah, my dealership gave me the Zert fittings for free, and I wanted to grab one of these for a spare, just in case I lost one, because they go on all your pins, like here, here, here. It's like they're on all of them. So I wanted to grab one for a spare, and he gave that to me for free too. So I got the Zert fittings and that for free, and just talked to my dealership, and they're like, oh yeah, here's the problem. And sure enough, that's what it was. So yeah, if you have an awesome dealership and they're great to work with, tractor maintenance and stuff is easy, and you have any questions, just talk to them, and you know, a great dealership will help you out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye bye.